This is inspired by the Spirited Away movie. Through the secret tunnel. Wow. Oh my. So that's the place we bypassed. There are a lot of people, but we were able to go through the secret tunnel because of Jerry. We'll be going on a tour. We'll be going to Taoshi Coast, Yeoyu, Jifen, Shufen. We're already in the famous bus stop here. So our tour guide said, Jerry, there are a lot of people taking photos here. Nagulat siya daw na bakit daw biglang sumikat yung bus stop. Ba't marami daw Filipinos na nag-take ng photos, and then dumagdag Japanese, Taiwanese, nag-photo na rin sila. I love how imaginative the Taiwanese are. Kasi ang dami nila nakikita sa mga rocks na hindi namin nakikita. Ay! 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 Ay, palabay! Okay lang. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rafael, you can call me Rafa, and for today's video, we'll be going on a tour. We'll be going to Taoshi Coast, Yeoyu, Jifen, Shufen. Tara, kain muna tayo. In our day 3 of our Taiwan series, we'll be going to different parts of Taiwan. The tour will be at around 11 AM, but it's still 9:30 AM, so may oras pa kami para kumain. Ma'am, hi. Ay.
Yung baba ng hawak ko kapag...
Hi, Mars. How are you?
I'm working.
Ay! Collectify?
Yeah.
Looks like we're eating here. Kanina tong bar? Okay. This is mine, beef. This is beef bulgogi. Because I love meat. Let's eat. Itadakimasu. Samgyup na pinagluto nila. Samgyup. Hello, so we just finished eating and now we're headed to a coffee shop to buy coffee, of course. Ay! 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 Ay, palabay!
Laki ng kape mo. Sakay na!
Since kami lang daw apat, magka-car daw kami, hindi daw bus. Sa last tour daw ni Mars, marami sila sa bus. Kami lang ito tour niya, may favors, ganyan, kung mag-ask tayo kung pwede, ganyan. Para may personal tour guide tayo. They gave us this, a food and a keychain, thank you. You know that Filipinos love Meteor Garden?
Really?
Yeah,
I know
yeah, we do.
Popular.
Yeah, it's so popular. Hello guys, so we're already in the famous bus stop here. So our tour guide said, Jerry, there are a lot of people taking photos here. Nagulat siya daw na bakit daw biglang sumikat yung bus stop. Ba't marami daw Filipinos na nagtitake ng photos, and then dumagdag yung Japanese, Taiwanese, nag-photo na rin sila. Pero yung mga Japanese daw madalas hindi. Napa-jacket din ako by the way. Dapat di ko susuotin tong jacket. Ibang outfit sana to, pero di ko kinaya. So ayun, ang lamig kasi talaga guys. Andito kami ngayon sa taas, na photo na kasi kami doon sa baba kanina. Yun yung bus stop po. Dito kasi yung pagkuha ng photos, videos, ganyan. Hello guys, so we're already at Yelyu Geo Park. This is the map of Yelyu Geo Park. 880.
Galing mo naman sa mat.
Ay, di naman. Hello, so we're now heading to the rock formations. The most famous one here is the Queen's Head, soon to be destroyed by nature itself. By 2030, ganyan. So, buti na lang inabutan natin siya bago siya masira. That's the Camel Rock Formation. Ayun yung ano niya, oh. Pag ganun siya.
That's me. Cute princess.
That's you, cute princess.
Angela, ayaw niya.
Tinignan ka lang, no? Oh! This is the sample to. Cute princess.
No, we are here. I think we are here. Let's preach.
Hello, so kanina pa kami naglalakad-lakad dito sa mga rock formations and everything looked amazing. Maganda ng mga nakita naming rocks. I love how imaginative the Taiwanese are. Kasi ang dami nila nakikita sa mga rocks na hindi namin nakikita. Pag sinabi nila, oh yeah, it's like that. Ganun. We're exiting now. Loved it.
You're back from prison. Yeah. Basta pala yung wheel. Ay, ganda mo. Anak, nanalo ka dito. Natalo mo lahat.
Hello, so we are near the Yin Yang Sea, the sea that has two colors. Alam ko akit kami doon para mapakita sa inyo. Hello, so we are in the Golden Waterfall and it's so beautiful. It's called the Golden Waterfall, but eventually they actually discovered that it is copper that's making it that color. So it's really the copper waterfall. But of course, they call it the Golden Waterfall because this is a mining site before. People are mining here before, people live here before. Again, it's a woman, gonna be golden. So we're on our way to the Ghibli looking place and I am so excited because I love Ghibli.
Ay, bagay dito ang outfit na natin.
Wow guys, I love it here at Jufen. Everything looks so beautiful. Wow. Salamat. It's getting hot up in here. My God, I love Jufen so much. So nice. So beautiful. Grabe. Grabe, nakaka-love naman tong Jufen.
Alam mo ba, okay talaga yung tao na to.
We?
Ang saya.
Yung sa'yo ay parang hindi kayo makagalaw sa lakad.
Wala, hindi kami gumagalaw.
Mm. Oh, okay. So good thing that we are with Jerry because he knows another way to the famous Ame Tea House. This is inspired by the Spirited Away movie. This is the way. We are here through the secret tunnel. Oh. Binibilang niya tayo. Okay.
Alam niyo, may pusa. Asan na?
Oh my God, ang dami ta.
Ayun na.
Yeah, there it is. Oh, shoot. Oopsie. Wow.
Maluwag pa nga eh. Si Mahal.
Wow.
Wow. Oh my.
Grandma with the red head, right?
Oh,
You see a grandma
oh
with the
lots
red,
and lots
red
of
head.
people.
We go there. Then we go up to the intersection for the then free time. We go there, picture, okay? Your grandma with the red head.
Oh, what? Sora.
Umuulan last year, so mga walang pakialam yung mga tao. So, di ba umuulan?
Walang
tao
pake?
dyan.
Lots and lots of people here. Grabe, nag-vlog pa rin eh. No? Oops. Sobrang... Yep. Wow, that was challenging, guys. Grabe. Buti na ilaban namin. Thank you, Jerry, for showing it to us. You know all the right places. Sobrang galing ni Jerry, guys. Talagang tinuturo niya yung mga daan. Tignan niyo, walang tao. Tignan niyo kung gano'ng karaming tao kanina. Ngayon, ang babypass siya ng mga daan. So, that's the place we bypassed. There are a lot of people, but we were able to go through the secret tunnel because of Jerry. We were able to get past that line, that many people because of him.
I
What?
think, kaya niyo pa yung una.
What?
Jerry, I think.
No, kaya na yan. Go na.
Kaya mo, okay.
Oo, kaya yan.
This is a bypass. You can make it?
Yes.
No body. Careful, scooter.
Okay. Mahal tabi. Yes, so we are...
Actually here, very beautiful. Do you think so? At the bottom view, ocean view, you see behind you?
Yes! Oh, wow!
Let's go to the
Oh my, ang ganda
picture
pala sa
there.
likod. Oh my God. Wow! So, sobrang tarik ng inakit namin. We are now up here.
But the sea in the sea, far
Wow. We were there before, dyan sa baba. Now we're up here. Sobrang... Buti nakadaan kami. Yung puputok sa bibig.
You want sa ulong bao, Jerry? That one.
You go first, no problem. Thank you.
Bukas ano lang tayo?
Chill lang, please.
Filmin lang tayo.
Magkaroon kayo chef tayo saglit. Lapit lang naman.
Picture na lang.
Mr. Jim.
8 for 1,000.
Bye.
8 for 1,000.
Thank you. Oops.
For the 8 for 100, we can choose. Kasi baka makita yung ano.
Yeah. Yay. Thank you. Ikaw alam eh.
Inom lang.
Wow, that's good. Thank you. We? Promise?
May lemon.
Sarap. Favorite niya yung guava eh.
Ah,
Sarap.
sweet siya na may pagka-sour dahil sa lemon.
Oh.
Sarap. In.
Sarap?
Ay, sorry.
Ah. It's so amazing. Thank you so much. Goodbye. My God, that was so amazing. I loved it so much. Jerry was so amazing. And Jufen was so amazing. What a nice, nice tour. Wow. Another day, another vlog. And for today's video, it is our last day here in Taipei, in Taiwan, and it's so sad. Medyo nakakasakit ng dibdib, sakit sa puso kasi uuwi na kami. It was such an enjoyable vacation, so medyo nakakasad lang, but it is what it is. So today, mamimili na lang kami ng mga pasalubong, ibang pasalubong kasi parang okay na yung pasalubong na nabili ko kagabi for food. Titingnan lang siguro ko ng ilan now. Ayan, pero kakain muna kami. Ni hao. Ni hao, baby. Hello. 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 We're looking for food places. Ang hirap, wala kaming mahanap. And also, mainit na siya, hindi na malamig. So, ang kapal ng suot ko. Should have just worn the leather jacket again. Kasi mainit. Kala na malamig pa. Noel, paparamdam ka ha? Baby, miss mo na ako. O sige, uwi na kami ha? So dito ulit kami sa kanina namin last time. And ayun, last day na. Grabe, sobrang mahal guys. 759 for this. $8.55. Guys, again, it's $8.55. Oh my God. Mga Pokemon ko yan. Mahal. Hello guys, so everything is so pricey. Like sobra. Hindi dapat. Sobrang mahal talaga dito. Hello, so you were able to buy products. Yan, beauty products to. Pasalubong. Yun na lang siguro. Yung food and eto na lang yung pasalubong ko sa family ko. Para sulit kasi yung mga products dito like yung mga bags, mga damit, ganyan. Kasi mabibili mo siya online eh. Kasi sa Shopee meron din mga ganun. Same quality din sila pero double the price. So for me, hindi sulit mamili ng damit dito. So I suggest na talaga magbaon kayo ng damit. Kasi pag bumili kayo dito, mapapamahal talaga kayo. Ella. gastos nila guys. So, kain muna ako nito. Ang dami nilang binibili. Hello guys, so we're currently in search of Era, ibang branch, as a gift for Christine's boyfriend. And I'm also not wearing my jacket already because it's too hot outside. So hindi na talaga malamig. Sobrang lamig na ilang araw, like 12 degrees, ganyan. Pero ngayon,
Ang favorite color mo pa naman yan.
ay!
Ano?
Fiero daw.
Ano? Sex work?
Hindi ka problema ang pera.
Ay! That's so Jim Reynolds coded. Ganun ka kaya magsalita, natututunan niya sa'yo yan. We were able to find no Era. Ah, she's paying for it na. Wow. Wow. Gift ni mo for your boyfriend?
Yes.
So we are here to try the famous
Milk tea.
milk tea. And we are so excited. Thank you so much. We are gonna get the Taiwan #1 signature brown sugar boba milk. Sheshe! Sticker be. Meron pa silang libreng sticker.
Thank you, be. Iba ka na.
Cute.
Tonight, three.
Thank you, Christine.
Thank you.
Maganda na nga, mabait pa. Saan ka ba? Ay, sorry. Nathan, swerte ka sa kanya. Shout out sa'yo. Thank you, Christine. Ay, basta. Yay. Try. Let's taste. It's like milk. Medyo underwhelming. Pero, kaya rin na, pwede na.
Milk lang siya.
Ano parang hindi ka masarap?
Hindi masarap?
Boba lang.
Kerry, sarap. Oh, we're gonna eat here, guys. Okay. Wow. Amazing.
Parang ang sarap din ng noodles niya.
Waiter.
Yes, Hi, so I am looking for other pasalubongs with Christine kasi si Jim at si Angela ay humiwalay. I'm thinking of getting, of course, a ref magnet for us sa amin ni Jim, and I love Jufen so much, so baka kunin ko to. And then for my mommy, na gustong-gusto rin ng mga ref magnet, ito, purple, favorite niya. I might get these two. Ay, cute! Cute! Let's go inside Pop Mart since it's our last day. Tara na, pagbigyan na natin sarili natin. Hindi ako magpapabudol pero mali natin magustuhan tayo. Let's see! Hello, so we're already on the second floor. And sumunod si Lavi.
Confessions of a Shopaholic.
Kuya tayo.
I love Fisher, ikaw ba yan?
Kaya nga, ang dami niya nagastos.
Total ko? 600?
Same tayo. Naka 600 din ako dyan.
Mura, di ba?
Guys, iba talaga yung bayad sa mga IPs. Kasi kapag may nakalagay na character, mas mahal siya talaga. Tika mo, 269 to. So that's almost 500 Philippine pesos. Pag may mga Pikachu, ganyan. Basta may character, mas mahal siya. Daan kami ng 7-Eleven kasi meron pang mga natira doon sa easy card namin. Sayang naman. So we're gonna use it. Kasi hindi na naman kami magta-trend. Hello guys, so kanina pa kami nakauwi after bumili ng mga pasalubong. Yan, nakapag-ayos na rin kami ng mga gamit. So, aalis na lang kami bukas. It's 11:47 PM and bukas aalis kami ng 5 AM para pumunta sa airport. Ang flight namin is 9 AM. Naka-airport transfer kami. And sasakay kami ng Mercedes-Benz. Medyo sad lang kasi parang bilis kasi sobrang excited namin for so long, tas ngayon tapos na, but still it was a very enjoyable adventure vacation with all of these amazing people. So ayun, just waiting for our airport transfer, and then we'll sleep on the way because our sleep was just only maybe around 2 hours. Nothing. Thank you. We're now on our way to the airport. So sad. Bye, Kaming. So sad. Gusto niya yung social yung sinakyan namin na Benz, tapos saglit lang yung biyahe namin, 30 minutes lang. Kasi malapit naman talaga kami sa airport. Almost 700 Philippine pesos. But at least comfy kami, hindi kami nangarag kasi ang dami namin bagahe. So, carry na rin yun na ganun. Hindi mo lang kami nakatulog. Ang bilis kasi talaga ng biyahe, 30 minutes lang. And now we're just gonna check in our baggages. Turns out we're too early para mag-check-in. Sanay kasi tayo sa Naiya na 4 hours before bukas na pwede na mag-check-in. But here, 7:15 pa. So that is less than 2 hours before the flight. Pero yun nga, siguro kasi mas mabilis yung process dito. Kaya hindi kailangan maaga.
Sa tubig, pagising ko.
Diba ano yun?
Oh, guys, it's self-service. So tayo kukuha ng burger. Cheese double whopper na lang ako.
Magkano yun? Cheese double whopper.
289. Mahal ang Burger King dito, guys. It's 356 to. Almost. So that is almost 800 pesos. Pero kahit nakain ako. Orange juice. Hi. Down all day. Tumingin naman kayo dun.
I can show you the way.
Hello guys, so we're now done with immigration and check-in baggage, ganyan. Christine. Na para bang ibang bansa yung pupuntahan.